Okay, so the doors are locked, they are not opening. Okay, and I will use the card, more exactly the mechanical key, to unlock it. So drag out the mechanical key. Come here to the driver's door and insert it there. It will enter just a little bit, and pull it up to take off this plastic cover. So move it up like so, and that's it. That's only a plastic cover, and there's the hole for the key. The top and the bottom parts are holding it. They're in those areas. Okay, let's put that down. Now here's the key. You cannot insert it this way. It won't enter, but that way. On the top it's opening. Only this door is opened. That's locked. Okay, and you cannot take it out. You have to rotate it horizontally. Now you can remove it. Door is unlocked. Now rotate it from horizontal to vertical down. You cannot remove it this way either. Back to horizontal. Now this one is locked. The other ones don't change. So insert the top part and push down the lower part. That's the battery itself. It's a CR2025. CR2025. That's the positive side. There's a plus, and position it with that down. Now it's locked. Now it's unlocked. There's an LED also.